So first of all, I'm assuming that you must have Flutter installed into your system. If you don't have, you must have to install the Flutter into your system. And then, like, then let's create a Flutter project. For creating a Flutter application, firstly, you need to go to a particular folder where you want to create your project. And I'm inside the D drive, and I have the folder Flutter 2025. And in this folder, I want to create my project. You can write a command Flutter create, and after the create, you need to give the application name. So I would like to give the name AI, which let's after doing this, click enter. It will automatically create the project for you, provided you have Flutter that properly configured and installed into your system. Okay, this fine. So my application has been created successfully. Let me show you. So here's my D platform 25, and there AI quiz application has been installed. Let me just open this application. Firstly, so I'm using the VS Code. Most of the developers use the VS Code to write code in Flutter. So let me give you the basic introduction about the structure of the Flutter project. So here's the main heart file of the Flutter, that is pubspec.yaml. There you need to configure the very low level kind of things that Flutter needs to be configured. Um, okay, like you want to use your own fonts, you do that. If you want to use your own assets like a custom icon or some images, it needs to be configured there. It should be mentioned there. Use that. Also, so we will be using this section a lot because we will be using a lot of packages in this application to build our application. So this is the main file. You need to ignore the rest of the files right now, but you have to focus on the lib folder. This is your main file where you will code all the time. This is the code which is template code which Flutter lib. I will clear that. Okay. So I have few extensions installed into my system. Let me show you so that you can also install that. Let's see. Yeah, Flutter. So you must have Flutter widget snippets and Flutter. These are the two extensions that you need to install. Along with it, you have to install the Dart, this one. So I have installed this one to generate the data setters. You can install, but yeah, you can install.